Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet headband. You can use this pattern in belts and any of your project or bag strips, etc. And for that I'm taking this medium yarn. Hook size is 3.5 mm. And first of all I'm going to make chain 5. Then after making chain 5, I'm going to make a slip stitch in the very first chain to make a circle or to join the sides. Now chain 3, half completed double crochet, another half completed double crochet, 3 loops on the hook, pass over the yarn from them, chain 2, 3 half completed double crochet in the same circle. As you can see, now 4 loops on the hook, pass over the yarn from them, turn the side, slip stitch in this chain space. Again we have to repeat the same procedure, that is chain 3, 2 half completed double crochet in this chain space. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, pass over the yarn from them, then we will make chain 2, again 3 half completed double crochet in this same chain space. Now we have 4 loops on the hook, pass over the yarn from them, turn the side, single crochet in this chain space, and we'll repeat the same procedure till our desired length. This is a very simple and easy procedure to make a crochet headband or bag strip or any of your belt, etc. I hope you liked it. After completing it and reaching it on your desired length, we will convert it in the headband by joining the two sides using slip stitch. I'm making 2 to 3 slip stitches to join the sides. After that I'm attaching a flower on it, and if you want to have a pattern of this flower, please visit my channel, and there are so many more videos of flowers and headbands and leaves, bunnies, gloves, etc. I hope you liked my video. Please, if you liked it, please share it with your friends and family who want to learn the crochet. And there are so many videos for the beginners as well. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.